closer, closer, come a little bit closer, darling, I don't bite, at least not like I used to. Hey folks, I just put the capo here, the first fret, and tuned the guitar 1/2 step down in deMarco's weird tuning. It's not weird, but yeah, you know. So this is how it sounds with the capo on. Without a capo. So it's the closest I could get. What fret is it? The 5th. You can bar with your index finger. You see it in the tabs. And you play just with your thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. So it should work like this. Excuse my chair squeaking. You just alter with your pinky and middle finger. So, and for the pre-chorus you put it like this. You could play the low E string, but then you would have to damp the A string. So yeah, it's easier to play it like this. Then you're back in the normal, the verse. I can play it very slowly. So yeah, you just alter your fingers a bit. You see that my ring finger is moving up and down there. It changes, and I always bar with the index finger, so this is a bit of a toughie. So yeah, and for the chorus it's just a bit of a stretch. You can also play it up here. So that's also the reason why I tune it down and put a capo on it, because now I a bit less space to stretch. So then you have to change. You can also play it with your thumb if you want, but it's But you still have to alter the fingers. It's just because you're playing both roles, like playing the bass and the melody, so it's kind of, you jam in everything together. I bar it right here, so. You can also play this with your index finger if you want. Yeah, you can also play a chord. And you just go back, and that's the whole song. Okay, Hope you liked it, and if you want to check out my music, you just click the link in the description as usual, as people on YouTube do. And I wish you a great day. So goodbye.